morning, everyone. This is Amit Pabari, founder and managing director of CR Forex. What a journey it has been for dollar rupee pair from 76 level to 79 level. An interesting piece of research done by CR Forex research team. Let us analyze that. On 11th April, dollar rupee pair was trading close to 76 level. It took 63 days for dollar rupee pair to move from 76 to 78 level. During that point of time, dollar index moved by 5% and crude oil price went up by 10%. Now on the second phase, from 13 June to 1st July, despite dollar index came down by 0.2% and crude oil price came down by 10%, dollar rupee pair moved from 78 to 79 level in just 18 days. Now let us analyze why such a big move we have seen in dollar rupee pair. As we have been discussing in the past that RBI intervention was there throughout April, May and June month. Generally RBI intervened in three markets: forward market, spot market, and in last 15-20 days we have seen they have intervened in currency futures market also. So for the first 63 days the intervention was solid in spot and the forward market, resulting के जो FX reserve था that came down and forward book position which RBI was carrying close to 61 billion that also came down close to 50 billion. तो उन्होंने सेल किया, रुपये का डेप्रिसिएशन को होल्ड किया. Now what has triggered? The main triggering point happened in currency futures. Currency futures में generally we have seen that open interest is close to 1 billion. In the end of June, we observe that the currency futures open interest is close to $8 billion. Now we can assume that RBI was on the selling side in currency futures. Now on 26 June, which is last Tuesday, June महीने का expiry था. Now traders, RBI, all either have to cut their position or roll over their position. Because of that, what has happened, it triggered a lot of pressure on dollar rupee pair, and dollar rupee pair moved directly from 78.20 to 79 level. Now this is all history. Now what is the relevance of history for coming days? Now let us analyze that part. In the month of July also, open interest position in currency future is close to $4 billion. Now during the month, either RBI or trader will have to unwind those 4 billion position. If there is no inflow, then it will add pressure on the dollar rupee pair. And जो story था पुराना वाला, FIIs have been selling in Indian equity and debt market. Crude oil price is not coming below 102 level. Dollar index is moving higher and higher day by day. With this, we believe that 78.85 to 78.5 level will act as a very strong support for the pair, and the pair will move towards 79.5 to 80 level in coming days. Now let us discuss strategy for thin margin exporters. Thin margin exporters like agri exporter or chemical exporters, they might have taken costing close to 78.5 to 78.75 levels. On Monday morning, dollar rupee pair can open close to 79 kind of levels. What we suggest to them is that cover your 50% of your export order between 79.10 to 79.30 levels. For remaining 50%, they can target 79.5 to 79.75 levels. For all their open orders, they can keep a strict stop loss of costing or 78.75, whichever is higher. Now let us discuss strategy for thick margin exporters. Thick margin exporters like textile exporters or engineering exporters, उनके लिए suggestions are similar what we have discussed last week. Despite RBI intervention from 76 level, rupee still depreciated to 79 level. उनके लिए 3 key suggestions are there. Please pre-utilize your existing forwards. Do not keep them open. Second suggestion is keep your hedge ratio to a minimum level of 45 to 50%. For further booking, please wait. Do not get excited. Keep a stop loss of 78.50 level and wait. Special note, same hai till the time dollar index and crude oil price are trading above 100 level. Go slow or do not go and sell aggressively. Now let us discuss strategy for importers. Last week entire episode in currency futures market was little scary, because of which there was huge demand for dollars in the market and absolutely no supply. उससे कारण कोई भी dip market के अंदर पे नहीं मिला. Now what we are suggesting importer is that between 78.85 to 79.05 level, they should just go and buy imports for next 30 days. Now let us discuss trading ideas for coming days. GBP INR July future, if you get levels between 95.50 to 95.70 level, sell. Target is 94.6 level. Stop loss is 96.3 level. GBP USD 1.2120 से लेके 1.2150 के बीच में सेल करें. टारगेट इज 1.19. स्टॉप लॉस इज 1.2230. If I have to choose between both the trades, I will choose selling GBP USD. With this, I will end my today's presentation. जय हिंद, नमस्कार, फिर मिलेंगे next week. Thank you.